Alright guys, welcome back once again. Let's talk about my 16th items that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. Let's make our way over to the side. Let's look on this side. Right there is actually a plastic cowl cover. Cowl as in C-O-W-L, not cow, it's cowl. Yeah, it's basically just cowl covers, protectors. It protects the cowl part right here. That's it right there. This one will be for another time. I'll tell you what it is, but as far as in my 16th item, it is the cowl protector. It's on both sides. There it is, right there. Now the cowl protectors, that's what they are. They protect the cowl from, dents, scratches, and anything. And not to mention when you put other stuff onto it, it protects, just the cowl part right there. So, and then not to mention it makes a good standout look to it. I got them in black. They have it available in different colors also to customize your own Jeep with. But for me, I got those cowl covers to make my Jeep stand out more. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.